Hi everyone, this is Celestine. Hi, and this is just a quick update. I'm recording this on a Sunday. Today is July 27, 2025, and I decided to go on a mission. Yay! Ayun, I'm glad. I'm super glad na sure na ako sa decision kong ito. I have prayed for it. Kasi the past few months, ang hirap eh. I didn't know kung mag-college muna ako or magme-mission ako. Everything was so unclear pa talaga sa akin. Pero right now, I am so sure na I'll be going na. I'll be going to serve a mission. I'm thankful sa support nila mom, dad, and of course yung kapatid kong si Hyron, pati yung bishop namin. He showed support sa aking decision. So sobrang masaya sa feeling, masarap sa feeling. Yung makatanggap ng ganong amount of support sa mga friends mo, sa family mo. And ayun, so far, I'm doing all the best I can to prepare. I try to reread the scriptures, mag-scan ng Preach My Gospel kasi sa totoo lang, kinakabahan talaga ako. Pero of course, andun naman yung excitement. So, kahit kinakabahan, may excitement din naman. So, ayun. This time, I choose to serve the Lord for 18 months because I have the desire to serve Him. And I know that He is happy with my decision. I know that my family is happy, and I know that they're proud of me. Kasi, malaking step to eh. And, I know na I will grow spiritually stronger, and alam kong lalakas yung faith ko dito. Once I enter the mission field, ayun na, maraming mga challenges for sure, pero I know na kapag iniisip natin na gusto nating i-share yung gospel sa iba, mangingibabaw yung joy. So, ayun lang. I'm happy sa decision ko. And date of availability na nilagay ko is sa December. So, hopefully, mapasok ko na yung mission papers ko ASAP. So, ayun. I'm so excited. Yun lang. Bye!